What's up, everybody? Welcome to Gray Rabbit Finance. I'm your host, Tyler, and today I'm going to be updating the Ichimoku technical analysis for gold US dollar for the month of July 2024. Let's hop in. Okay, here's the monthly chart for gold US dollar. And as you can see, overall, we've had a nice base form here on this Ichimoku Cloud here, on the Kumo Cloud. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we finally broke out. So we had 4 attempts. We broke through on this N wave up, and now last month we had this really indecisive doji candle, and it looks like now this month price is heading up back towards the resistance level here, which is at the $2,450 level. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, prices close above the Tenkan-sen. The Tenkan-sen's pointing up. However, the Kijun-sen is still flat, and we've got Senko span A and B up and the Chico span above the candles. So overall, this is bullish, but it's not confirmed yet until we can close above the resistance level. Now, I'm under the impression that we're going to be consolidating in this market just a little bit longer. And so I've got the Ichimoku time cycles drawn on, and I'm expecting price to be consolidating heading into October and reaching back into this fair value gap, which is this pink rectangular box here. And so this is where I'm going to be looking to add more on to my positions. And these are my long-term positions. So this is not a intraday trading, just for anyone who's curious. So this is my next target down here around the 2097 to 2175 level. But we could even reach a little bit further back down to the 2033 level here. But this market is pretty bullish, so I'm expecting it to be just at the Tenkan-sen levels here. So expecting price to reach back down here and just consolidate before making its next move up. And why is that? Well, this first retracement here was a pretty sharp retracement. And so typically in Elliott wave theory, one of the retracements is a sharp retracement, and then the other is more of an expanded flat. And so right now, this one is looking like it's shaping up to be more of the expanded flat consolidations. So this is what I'm thinking here in terms on the monthly chart. And you can also see too that the stochastic is overbought and it's about to death cross. So I think if we do reach the resistance level here, it's possibly going to be a false breakout, and then we're going to come back down and continue consolidating heading into October. And now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Let's clean this up real quick. So on the weekly chart, you can see that price dipped back below the Tenkan-sen here. We've got all 5 of the Ichimoku lines are flat. So this is just a neutral ranging market. However, we do have a nice bullish Kumo Cloud. So I am expecting trend continuation in the bullish direction. But right now, all these lines are flat. And we could see price coming back down to this Kijun-sen here, which is around the $2,217 level. So this is going to be something to look for, and this is going to be a nice consolidation here heading over the next few months. So, if price closes above this resistance level, 2,450, we may have to reconsider this idea. But until that happens, this is a neutral consolidating market here on the weekly chart. But we do have a nice gold cross here coming down from the oversold level here. So this is looking good. It's looking pretty bullish. But overall, guys, we're just going to need a little bit more time to see what happens. And now let's take a look at the daily chart. Okay, daily chart. So on the daily chart, guys, Chico span is tracing the candles, and we've got a Kumo Cloud twist. So we had bullish Kumo, now we had a bearish Kumo, and now we're starting to get a bullish Kumo Cloud twist. So this is a neutral ranging market. The range is between this resistance level here at the 2,450, and then I'm going to move this up, and it's between 2,277. So that's our range right now. And until we can close above either, it's just going to be consolidating between there. Now, so I'm expecting this range to break to the downside, get a nice support back here on this level here in this fair value gap, and then continue the bull market back up. And then, like I mentioned before, this is my 1 Fibonacci extension level. This is a pretty conservative target, and I'm expecting that to be around October 2025, but it could be much sooner. These time cycles are always changing. So actually, I would just expect this we got to see when this consolidation finishes, and then we can start to try and target the next area. But this is the next level, at least, that we're going to be looking for. So that's 2,790. And yeah, that's going to be my next target once we close above the $2,450 level. Yeah, and then let's take a look one last second here. And then we also had a gold cross here on the stochastic. Yeah, so it looks like it's getting compressed a little bit. So we could see this this turn back down on this retracement, like we mentioned. So we're going to have to keep watching this consolidation. But overall, these are going to be a great level here. This is at the 2,147, and then the next target 2,790. So keep an eye on that. Thanks everybody for liking and subscribing. It really helps me and my family. And let me know what you think about gold. Are you guys bullish? Are you bearish? What's going on? What do you think? What do you think your target is? So let me know. And if anyone's interested, feel free to join our Discord community. I'm going to put it in the link below. And there you can find PDFs for free of my trading strategies and other resources to help you with your trading. And you can chat with me and other traders there as well. So it's an awesome community that we're building, and I would love to have you guys join. So yeah, consider it. I'll put it in the link below. And until next month, guys, peace.